Hello and welcome to the second part of the build video series. Apologies for taking so long to update, and without further ado, let's start the video. First of all, I would like to introduce an update on the front axle. While the first generation was designed so I can inspect the condition of the drive shaft, the second generation was designed for better strength. And also, I only needed standard M2 6mm screw to assemble the front knuckle together. I have provided the stat files for these parts, so it is easier to adjust the tolerance for the bearings. But notice the groove near the center part which retains the bearings. This is designed so that when materials accumulate during printing process, it will less likely to affect how far the bearings sit in. Now to the building part. I'll start with smoothing out the hole for Tamiya eyelets. This part serves to prevent the screw from biting into the plastic when steering. Then I press the bearings in. And make sure that the front drive shaft, which was built in the last video, spins smoothly. While inserting the bearings into the front axle, I also put a little piece of plastic tube in with 2mm inner diameter. The friction held against the drive shaft will reduce the sliding motion. Though with the front and rear both secured, it is nearly impossible for the drive shaft to fail off during driving. Assemble the front knuckle with M2 6mm screw. On the older design, this part will require a M2 8mm which is filed down to about 6.5mm to secure the knuckles. Notice there is a little bit of kingpin angle and caster, so be sure to watch out this detail while assembling. Remember to trim the crown gear so it wouldn't rub with the center drive shaft. Now on the gearbox. I use a combination of plastic tube and copper pipe as spacers to prevent the gears from sliding out of contact. Now to the full assembly of the front end, or rather a playback video of the disassembly. This is not the only way to assemble this vehicle, but rather a reference to the relationship between parts. Unfortunately, the video might not show some of the details too well. So a quick note here that most of the 6 and 5mm holes are designed for a ball bearing. I hope this video will help at least a little bit for those who want to build this model, with only limited free time recently. Besides trying to record a quick full vehicle build, I will also be searching for more efficient methods to showcase how I assemble my designs. That's all for now, thanks for watching.